of hours. The system also has a compact design, which means that it doesn't take up much space in your home. In terms of maintenance, the Kangen Leveluk requires regular cleaning to ensure that it's working properly. The system has a self-cleaning function that makes this process easy, and it also comes with a cleaning cartridge that needs to be replaced every few months. Overall, the Kangen Leveluk is a high-quality water filtration system that offers a range of benefits. It's easy to use, eco-friendly, and produces water with a high pH level that is rich in minerals. While it may be more expensive than other water filtration systems on the market, it's definitely worth considering if you're looking for a premium option that delivers on quality and performance. When it comes to design and build quality, the Kangen Leveluk is an attractive and well-built water filtration system. The system has a sleek, modern design that looks great in any kitchen, and it's made from high-quality materials that are built to last. The system has a compact size, which makes it ideal for small apartments or homes where space is at a premium. The dimensions of the Kangen Leveluk are 10.6 inches x 13.8 inches by 5.1 inches, which means that it can fit comfortably on most countertops. The Kangen Leveluk is made from high-quality materials, including medical-grade titanium plates and platinum-coated ceramic filters. These materials are designed to be durable and long-lasting, and they're also resistant to corrosion and wear. The system is also designed with user-friendliness in mind. The Kangen Leveluk has a large, easy-to-read display that shows the current pH level of the water, as well as the remaining filter life. The buttons on the system are also well-designed and easy to use, which means that you can adjust the pH level of the water with just a few clicks. Another important aspect of the design of the Kangen Leveluk is its portability. The system comes with a convenient carrying case that makes it easy to take with you when you're on the go. This is especially useful for those who travel frequently or who live in areas where the quality of the tap water is poor. Overall, the design and build quality of the Kangen Leveluk is top-notch. The system is well-built, user-friendly, and portable, which makes it a great option for those who are looking for a high-quality water filtration system that is both functional and stylish. The installation and setup process of the Kangen Leveluk is relatively simple, and most people can do it themselves without needing to hire a professional. Here are the steps to follow. 1. Unpack the system. Start by unpacking the Kangen Leveluk from its box and making sure that you have all the necessary components. The system should come with a main unit, a flexible hose, a mineral port, a drain hose, and a power cord. 2. Choose a location. Decide where you want to place the Kangen Leveluk. It's important to choose a location that is near a power outlet and a water source, such as a kitchen sink. 3. Connect the water source. Use the flexible hose to connect the Kangen Leveluk to the water source. Make sure that the hose is securely connected and that there are no leaks.